Have you ever wanted to clean up your Netflix account but you didn't know how? Maybe you've created too many profiles or you just want to get rid of an old one. Don't worry, I'm here to help you to get it done quickly. So first, you're going to log into your next Netflix account and go to the main profile screen. You should see all the profiles listed there. Next, you're going to click on the Manage Profiles option, okay? This is where you can see all of the profiles that you've created. Find the profile that you want to delete. Then, click on the profile that you want to remove and you will see a trash can icon. Click on it to delete the profile. Another important tip is to make sure that you're the owner of the account, because only they can delete the profiles. Lastly, after deleting the profile, your Netflix will look much cleaner and more organized. So, if you're ready to clean up your Netflix account, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.